Hi, welcome to Mila Nature Lover. My goal is to teach people about birds and nature so they can enjoy nature in their own backyards. I make videos weekly, usually posting them on a Saturday or Sunday. I also make Rainbow of Birds videos that help people identify birds in their own backyards. In addition to all this, you can enjoy beautiful videos of the amazing birds that visit my bird bank. I hope you'll value your time here at Mila Nature Lover. But remember, always go outside for a little bit to enjoy the nature around you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.